Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will learn how to fix hotspot not working on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. To do that, just open the settings app. From here, tap on more connectivity options. Now from here, scroll down, tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now from here, tap on reset settings, hit OK. Now this will not delete your data, it will just reset the network settings on your smartphone. Now from here, go back and scroll up and tap on portable hotspot. From here, tap on set up portable hotspot. Now from here, change the password of your hotspot. And from here, change the network name. Hit on save. The last step is to open the control center and tap on aeroplane mode. Now from here, wait a few seconds and then turn off aeroplane mode. And this is how you can fix the hotspot not working issue on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.